Friends, welcome to Avivyakti India's Future Classroom. In today's episode, we will see the subject verb agreement when the two subjects are connected by neither nor or either or. Here is the first rule that two or more singular subjects connected by or nor, either or, neither nor take a verb in the singular. If the two or more singular subjects that are connected by either or neither nor, that will always take the singular verb. See here the first example, that neither Iran Saudi wants the bilateral problems to affect issues like Syrian peace negotiation. Here Iran and Saudi are the two singular subjects. Since these are two, it should take a plural verb, because if we say Iran and Saudi want the bilateral, because there are two nouns, but these two singular nouns are connected by nor, and since that are connected by nor, it will not take plural but it will take singular verb, and that is wants. See the another example. The episode also exposed how neither the BJP nor the Congress has been able to find a creditable leader in Delhi who can challenge as a communicator. Here the BJP and the Congress, these two are the subjects. Since these are two subjects, it should take a plural verb, that is have. But since it is connected with nor, even though these are two nouns or two singular subjects, it will follow the verb as singular. So Congress and BJP will take a verb as the singular. Another example is neither the PDP nor the BJP. This sentence is from the Indian Express, 14th Jan 2016. Neither PDP nor BJP has a choice to form a government without each other. PDP and BJP are two subjects, singular subjects, but since they are two, it should take plural verb. If we say the PDP and the BJP, then it will have, but we are saying that PDP nor the BJP, neither the PDP nor the BJP, since that are connected by neither nor, it will not take a plural verb but it will take singular verb, that is has. Another example is neither Lalu Prasad Yadav nor Nitish Kumar has announced yet when he will travel to Varanasi. Indian Express, 13 Jan 2016. Lalu Prasad is one noun, Nitish Kumar is another noun. So since these are two nouns, it should take a plural verb have. But since it is connected by neither nor, and the rule says that if two singular subjects connected by neither nor, then it will take a verb in the singular. And since Lalu Prasad and Nitish Kumar are joined by neither nor, it will take a singular verb, that is has and not have. See the another rule, when the subjects joined by or nor are of different number, the verb must be plural and the plural subject must be placed next to the verb. When the subjects are of two different numbers, means one is singular and one is plural, or both are plural. See the example. NYPD, that is New York Police Department, said that neither the cow nor the police officers were injured in the chase. The cow is a singular noun and the police officers, it is plural. Singular and plural subjects are connected by neither nor, and since both are different in numbers, it will take plural verb, that is were and not was. And other important thing is that the plural subject will be closer to the verb. It will be closer to the verb, or it will be placed next to the verb. See another one. Neither the victim nor the assailants are employees of Infosys. This is from India Today, 29th December 2015. Victim is a singular noun, assailants plural noun. These two subjects of different numbers connected by neither nor, and therefore it will take plural verb, that is are, and the plural subject will be next to the plural verb. It will be closer to the plural verb. See the another one. Neither its pacers nor spinners were able to pick up wickets with skipper Dhoni. First post, 24th January 2015. Pacers is a plural and spinners also plural subject. Both are plural subjects, therefore there is no problem, and definitely it will take plural verb, that is were and not was. So either pacers will be here or the spinners will be here, because both are the plural subjects. So when the subjects different in number, means one is singular and another is plural, or both are plurals, and it is connected by neither nor, then it will always take the plural verb. See here one more. Neither Frank nor his opponents have run for office before. Frank is singular and his opponents, it is plural. Singular and plural subjects are connected by neither nor, so it should take plural verb. So it is have and not has. Has is not correct, because singular noun and the plural noun means singular subject, and plural subjects are connected by neither nor, and the plural subject will be closer to the plural verb. Another rule is that when the subjects joined by or nor are of different persons, the verb agrees in person with the one nearest to it. Here it is said that different person. In the previous it was different number. Now different persons means I and you, we and I, he and I, or he and she, or we and they, etc. These are different persons. If these different persons are there and joined by either or neither nor, then the verb agrees in person with the one nearest to it. See the example, that either he or I go to the market. Now he and I are two different persons. These are two different persons and that are connected or joined by either or, then the verb will agree with I and not with he. So it is I go to the market. If you say that either I or he, then it will be either I or he goes to the market. See the second one, that either he or we are making notes. Since we is closer to the nearest to the verb will agree with we and not with he. So it will be we are making notes and not we is making notes or he is making notes. Friends, here we have seen three rules and that we will revise. The first one is two or more singular subjects that are connected by either or neither nor, then it takes the verb singular. When the subjects joined by either or neither nor and different in numbers, that is one is singular, another is plural, or both are plural, then the verb must be plural and the plural subject that must be placed next to the verb. This is also important. When the subjects joined by or nor are of different persons, that is you and I, we and he and she, and that are joined by either or neither nor, then the verb agrees in person with the one nearest to the verb. Friends, thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you must have enjoyed it. If yes, please like it, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel so that you will get updates right into your mailbox. Thank you very much. Friends, you might have enjoyed this video. Then go to thumbs up button and click. Then go to share tab and share with your friends on Facebook, Twitter, Google Plus and many more. And to get the updates right in your mailbox, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you very much.